Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you chapter 9 from grammar, that is adjective. Before I am going to start the definition, I just want to give you some examples. So look at the examples that given below. Anu likes spicy food. I gave her a red rose. Alok won 3 prizes. So you can see here 3 words I have written in black in color. Why? Because in first sentence Anu likes spicy food. Here I am denoting what kind of food. In the second, I gave her a red rose. Means here I am denoting which color, what color of rose. And in third, Alok won 3 prizes. Means here I am denoting the number of prizes. Clear? So you can see here these 3 words denotes the quality or identify the noun. So you can see these 3 words are called adjective. Now, explanation of the given examples. The word spicy describe the quality of food. In second sentence, red denotes the color of rose. And in third sentence, the word 3 denotes or describe the quantity of prizes. Clear? So basically you can see here the word that describe or modify the noun is called adjective. Clear? The word that modify or identify the noun is called adjective. Adjective, the literal meaning of adjective is to add something. To add something to describe a noun. Adjective means to add something to describe a word. Clear? So here, move through the basic definition of adjective. Adjectives are the part of grammar. Okay? That describe or modify the identity of nouns. What is it? That describe or modify the identity of noun. The word here, the identity of nouns. In which manner? So, in the manner of what kind of nouns? How many nouns? How much noun? What color, etc. So basically adjectives are describing words that describe the quality or identity of nouns. Adjectives are describing words that describe the quality or identity of nouns. Fine. Adjective means to add something. Why? To describe a word. To describe a noun. That is called adjective. Now, move through the next. The note. Adjectives are usually placed before the noun, but sometimes they may be placed after the nouns as well. So, you can use an adjective before a noun and after a noun. Look at the example. We found an empty room. The room was empty. So, here the word empty is an adjective. In first sentence, the word empty is the adjective that placed before the noun. In second sentence, the word empty is adjective that placed after the noun. Means through these sentences, we are going to analyze, we can use an adjective before a noun and after a noun. Now, look at the adjective of quality. So, adjective of quality. Look at these sentences. Suman is wearing a new dress. Ritu's hair is curly. In these two sentences, the word new and curly are adjectives. What is the adjectives here? New and curly. The adjective new tells us that what kind of dress Suman is wearing. What kind of dress? So, new dress. The adjective curly tells us that what kind of hair Ritu has. What kind of hair Ritu has? Curly hair. So, an adjective which tells us what kind a person or thing is called an adjective of quality. An adjective which tells us what kind a person or thing is called an adjective of quality. Means that shows some quality of a noun, that called adjectives of quality. So basically, an adjective of quality answers the question what kind of. An adjective of quality answers the question what kind of. Clear? Now move through the second. Adjective of quantity. Look at these sentences. I have much work to do. Ajay has enough money to buy a pen. In these sentences, the word much and enough are adjectives. The adjective much tells us how much work I have to do. The adjective enough tells us how much money Ajay has. Means here I am denoting the quantity. Clear? So basically an adjective which tells us how much of thing is meant is called an adjective of quantity. How much of thing is meant is called an adjective of quantity. So basically an adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Always remember, an adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Clear? Now next, adjective of number. Look at these sentences. A spider has 8 legs. Renu has many toys. In these sentences, the word 8 and many are adjectives. The adjective 8 tells us how many legs the spider has. How many legs the spider has? So, 8. The adjective many tells us how many toys Renu has. Means that shows a number. That shows a number. So basically an adjective which tells us how many persons or things are meant is called an adjective of number. An adjective which tells us how many persons or things are meant is called an adjective of numbers. So an adjective of number answers the question how many. How many? Clear? Now next, demonstrative adjectives. Look at the given sentences. This pen writes well. This pen writes well. That tree is very big. That tree is very big. In these sentences, the word this and that are adjective, not objective. Adjective. Just correct that word, adjectives. Through these adjectives, I point out this pen and that tree. Means I am talking about a particular tree. Means that tree, that pen, this pen. That demonstrate the noun. So basically an adjective which is used to point out the person or thing is called a demonstrative adjective. Here the word point out means I am going to specify, I am going to focus here. Got it? And demonstrative adjective answers the question which one? Which one? Clear? So this is your demonstrative adjectives. Now move through the interrogative adjective. Look at these sentences. Whose purse is that? Which book is yours? In these two sentences, the word whose and which have been used as adjectives. Which word is used as adjective? Whose and which. The adjective whose qualifies the noun purse. The adjective which qualifies the noun book. So basically an adjective which when used with a noun ask a question is called interrogative adjectives. Clear? Now move through the next possessive adjective. Look at these sentences. This is my bag. That is your bat. In these sentences, the word my and your are adjectives. My bag, that means the bag possessed by me or belonging to me. Or bat, your bat means that the bat possessed by you. Means the word that shows possession, belonging to noun is called possessive adjective. Basically, an adjective that shows possession or belonging is called possessive adjective. A possessive adjective answers the question whose, mine, yours. Okay, that shows belonging. That is called possessive adjective. Clear? So, here I have discussed 6 kind of adjectives. So, and now I am going to give you a brief analysis of these 6 adjectives. The first is adjectives of quality. That tells us what kind of, in the manner of color, shape, size, etc. Adjective of quantity, that tells us how much. Okay, quantity, how much. Adjectives of number tell how many, in the manner of number. Demonstrative adjective used to point out person or things, that particular person. Point out means particular, I am showing a specific, a particular person or thing. Interrogative adjectives help to ask questions. Possessive adjective show possession or belongings. So these six are the adjectives part, and you have to learn these six types, and after that just do the exercises that is mentioned in your book. Okay, so thank you for today. We will discuss something new in my next video. Thank you.